What is up, friends? It's me, your boy Eric, and welcome back to the channel. I'm not doing any car videos today because I have a package. I meant like a box. Wait, I know what you're thinking. No. It's this box. Story time. So I bought a used Mavic Pro, the first generation, back in 2020. I've used it a couple of times in, the videos that I posted in this channel, like boom, 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 boom. Or go to the description later. Don't go yet. And then I realized Mavic Pro was released in 2016. It's 2022. I mean, it does what it does. It flies, it takes video, it takes photo, but the quality isn't there anymore. It's just, the sensor was old, and there's a lot of new DJI drones that just dropped. It's time to upgrade. So, mid-May, I pre-ordered this thing, and it just showed up my doorstep. And I've been itching to open this damn thing. This thingamabob, and it's so small. I'm kind of scared because I ordered the one with the screen. I'll tell you later why. It's so small. Anyways, you're here because you want to see an unboxing video. Maybe not. Maybe you just saw this video and you're like, it's funny because I claim that this channel is for photography, but then again, I only uploaded a few videos about photography, and they're not even actually talking about taking photos. And you know what? I think I should start doing that instead of doing my things with my cars. Maybe eventually, once the projects are done. Anyways, let's do an unboxing. This was retailed at 1,179 Canadian dollars. Good thing I sold my old Mavic Pro for 80% of that price. Well, that's that. The content of the DJI Mini 3 Pro is pretty straightforward. With this little box, we got lots of reading materials, a small screwdriver because you need this for the additional propellers and screws, and this is the DJI RC Smart Controller, which has the DJI Fly app pre-installed and a 5.5 inches touchscreen. Buttons, dials, and switches are very tactile. Joysticks are located at the back and can be screwed on and off on the go. I opted for the DJI RC Smart Controller because before I found the solution to my problem, most DJI apps for Android 12 would crash when launched, so I got it just to be safe. Now for the main event, the DJI Mini 3 Pro. It's a micro drone, so it's labeled under 249 grams. Because if your drone is 250 grams or more, it should be registered and you'll need a drone license to fly it. It's already preloaded with one intelligent flight battery that has flight time of 37 minutes, which is really impressive with this micro drone.
I can't believe how small and light it is compared to the Mavic Pro I had. Here's a quick size comparison with my Google Pixel 6. Now I just need to justify the upgrade for my media business that I'm running.
So if you are interested on more content like these or my cars, I don't know, hit the subscribe button and then hit the like while you're at it, okay? I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy, folks. It's funny how if you watch through my videos of me talking in my room, there's like a lot of different setups. It's inconsistent, I know.